Hi guys, karibuni sana to my channel. My name is Mercy Kyando. For those who are new, karibuni sana 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 sana. Today we are going to be reviewing the BioCare Lab from the Curls and Natural line. It's conditioning repair mask. So you know that if you know me, you know that I'm very keen when it comes to, like in a line, I'm very keen when it comes to like repair masks, conditioning mask, vitu kama hivyo, vitu vya steaming for the hair, because I know that is the basic about your hair. That is the game changer for me, especially when it came to my hair. So I'm very keen. Ukigo wrong on that part, then your hair itakuwa shagala bagala. Now today's video is in partnership with BioCare Lab. So this is how it looks like. It looks like this, and then it's a conditioning repair mask, and it has shea butter, natural honey with argan oil, and wanna claim that it's for breakage and split ends. And one of the things is, before we go to another part, ni kwamba I've used this product since November. I know how good it is. I'm saying it now. It's very good. It's very affordable. It's 15,000. This product, kwanza, it's 350 grams. Ambapo you can't get this amount of it for 15,000. Normally 35 to 45,000. So this is a steal, guys. Now tell me, wapi utaenda utakuta product yenye ujazo wa 340 grams for 15,000? I'm listening. Exactly. Hakuna. Zip. Hamna. So this product is, kwanza, affordability yake is really nice. Now, for those people who do not know, I've been using this product since November, and this product bado ipo. Look at it. Bado iko. Like a lot. You can go on for another 3 months. So it's really affordable, and then it is a little goes a long way, and it will last you for a very long time. So you'll be saving instead of you spending a lot of money. And it's found at SH Amon. If you do not know, mine nilipata SH Amon, so you can get them from SH Amon. And I know SH Amon iko bado Dodoma, Dar ziko kama same tatu, Kariakoo, Mlimani City and Posta. Kwenye hii Curls and Natural line, kila product ina shea butter and natural honey. Now I've talked so much about shea butter and natural honey, and I'm still going to talk about it here. Shea butter is an emollient. It means that ina property ya kufanya depending where unatumia, because we are talking about hair, inafanya nywele ziwe soft and smooth. Kwa hiyo kama unaitumia, it means that your hair won't be hard. And then natural honey ni humectant, ina tabia ya kutrap moisture. So because natural hair tends to be dry, so this is a great ingredient ambapo walipatia sana. Sasa kwenye hii product, kwenye each product unakuta kwamba wakishaweka hiyo shea butter and honey, kwenye each product wanaongeza like a third ingredient. Na kwenye hii wameweka argan oil. Argan oil inatumika, it's an old secret ya kitambo sana, inatumika kuhydrate the hair na kufanya iwe soft. So inafanya kazi ya kuhydrate the hair na pia kuifanya iwe soft. So shea butter na argan oil zote zinafanya nywele ziwe soft. So zikikuwa combined zote mbili, of course your hair is going to be soft. And I can attest to that, guys. The hair becomes really soft. Yeah, and also argan oil has the capability of making your hair increase ile elasticity iwepo. So it means that your hair is going to be strong and all that. So that is, and one thing also is wanna claim that it's for breakage and split ends. Now let me tell you how this thing works. Nimeongelea kuhusu its ingredients. So it's obvious that kama ina hydrate the hair, one thing that inaleta breakage and split ends ni kama nywele iko dry. Now because we've seen from its ingredient kwamba this product ina increase elasticity, ina hydrate, inafanya nywele ziwe soft. It means that break ama kuwa na split ends ni ngumu sana. So it means that this product ukitumia zinakusaidia kwenye split end na breakage. Kwa hiyo hautapata, because unapata breakage kwa sababu nywele ziko dry, na kama ina hydrate na kufanya nywele ziwe soft, then na pia the honey ina trap moisture inabaki kule. I don't know if you get me. So that's that. And then another thing is kwenye ukiangalia kwenye ingredients hizi zingine, mimi nikopo nasoma huku. Sasa tuende kwenye ingredients, ile place ya ingredients yenyewe. Wanasema whenever you see the first product ambayo iko kule, that is the main product. Now the main product ya this is aqua, water. So it means this is a water based conditioning mask, repair mask. Kwa hiyo kama ni water based, it means that moisture itajaa tu moisture. That's why pia inaongezea pia kwamba usipate breakage, usipate split ends and what not. Wale ambao huwa skeptical, one thing that I need to tell you is that if you do not like silicone, personally I have nothing against silicone. Unajua vitu vingine ni jinsi tu tulivyofundishwa huko mbele before you do your research. Mimi personally, silicone does not do any bad thing to my hair, and I can attest to you, there are so many products that you are using that has silicone and nywele zako bado ziko vizuri. So just to mention, it has silicone and it has protein, which is good. Mimi personally, when a conditioning mask has, when steaming product ya steaming ikiwa na protein, to me it's a plus, because I don't have to buy a protein treatment where I'll have to treat my hair with a protein once a month. To me, I use it because in a protein na it has moisture, it's inafanya kazi for both. So for me, that's a plus. So if you are also like me who doesn't like buying like another product for protein, another product for moisture, then this product is for you. And plus ina save pesa. So when it comes to consistency yake, it's between running and also it's semi-solid. It's not running and it's not solid at the same time. So iko hapo katikati. I hope you've learned something. I would love to know what you've learned. So yeah, so don't forget to put them in the comment section below. So if you haven't subscribed and I'm giving you these gems and you love them, please do subscribe. And if you know people who love such kind of gems, please share this video. Share and share and share. We are in team 1K this year. Yeah, and a lot of engagement pia. So until next time, guys. Ciao.